Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you guys a quick haul that I did. I've been collecting stuff from this past couple of weeks and I went to Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, Walmart, Target. So I just wanted to share this with you guys in case you guys are interested in getting some of these things. So stay tuned. Okay, so the first items I wanted to share with you guys are these really cute jellies that I got from Walmart. These were only $4.99 each, and what a steal. They are so cute and adorable. These ones are just like almost like a silvery, glittery, clear one. And I got those for my 4-year-old, and then I got these. These are really cute. They're like a ombre color, so it's got like starts off with a pink and then it kind of bleeds into a purple and a blue. So yeah, I thought these were so cute. Okay, so then the next place I went to was Target, and I found this in the Target dollar spot, and it's just like an octagon shape, I guess a plant holder. I plan to find some kind of pretty plants and put them in here. Artificial, of course, I'll probably do, but this was only $5, so that was a really good deal. And the next thing I got, this is totally a guilty pleasure buy. This is called Squishy Yum Goodies, and if you guys don't know what these are just these like little squishy characters. They come in different ones, and I am obsessed with these for some reason, and especially this bread. I love the way it looks. It's very, I don't know, very satisfying to watch it get squeezed and then unfold. I am so in love with these guys that I actually ordered a couple of more online, different types of breads, and for some reason I think I'm obsessed with just breads in general, because the two I ordered online are a different type of a bread, but it's still a bread. And I promise you guys, I do not go squeezing bread at the grocery store. Okay, and then the next finds I got were, of course you guys probably have seen these all over YouTube, are these adorable Easter baskets. They are super cute. They have this gingham inside, lined inside the basket, on the handle, on the ears, and for $1. This stuff is from Dollar Tree now going forward, but how cute are these? You don't know how many Dollar Trees I went to try to find these, and I couldn't unfortunately find the pink one, but two blue ones are just as super cute and will do just fine. And the next couple of items I got are just these basic little square vases. I thought these were such a good deal for $1. I remember going to Walmart and buying these for $3 each. So for $1 each, that's a super good steal. And how cute is this super emoticat sticker book? Oh my god, it's super cute. It's got 100 stickers in here, just varying with different kinds of cats and little sayings on them. I just think this is so adorable. And my girls are totally in love with cats right now. And then next I got these really pretty yellow roses. Let me turn down the light so you guys can see them. They are a really soft yellow rose, and I just fell in love with these when I found them. I love yellow in general, but these are really pretty, the soft look to it, so I got a couple of these. Okay, they are totally stepping up their game in the bags department, and I got this. It's a cute little Shopkins bag, and it just has the characters on it for $1. You can't beat that. My daughter's birthday is coming up, so I know she'll like this. And then next I got this Happy Easter little bunny stick sign that you can put into your yard. I think it would look really cute, like poked into a little plant that's sitting on your front porch. But this is super cute. This is like a weatherproof plastic though, so it should withstand any rain and things like that. So I got one of these. Okay, so this is just kind of random. I needed some paper clips and I like the large one, so I got a pack of these. This is makeup rounds. If you guys haven't tried these work just as good as any other makeup brand round pads, and I just use these to take off my makeup every day. Okay, and I got a couple of elastic bands. These come in a pack of 18, and these do not have a clasp on them. I love buying Dollar Tree hair bands because I think they work really good. Sorry if you hear noise in the background, my cat is going crazy. Okay, and for some reason our nail clippers are always disappearing, so I got a pack of those, and I like that it comes in a pack of 2 because we're always losing one. Okay, and next I got this liquid eyeliner, and I've used something similar to this before, and with the fine tip, but I wasn't really crazy about it. So before I went and spent $8 on a new eyeliner, I wanted to try and see if I could work my magic with this one first, and then I can graduate to the nicer brands of eyeliner. And these next items I totally fell in love with. I love bath bombs, and where do you know you can get a bath bomb for $1 each? And these smell so good. This one is in coconut watermelon, and no, sorry. This one is in coconut verbena lime, and then this other one is pink grapefruit and sugar cane. So I totally love the smell of these. I love grapefruit, and these are a super good deal. And the next item I got was this bath fizzer. It's a fresh lavender and citrus scent, and this smells amazing. Out of all the smells there, I love this one. I love lavender and I love citrus. So them combined together is the best of both worlds. And I loved it so much that I went ahead and got this as well. This is a body oil in the same scent, and you just put this on after you take a bath and towel dry yourself. And it smells so good. If you guys haven't already tried this, definitely give this one a try. Okay, so I have some crafts coming up, and I needed some more jute twine, so I got one of those. I got a couple of these floral decorations. These are really nice. I feel like for $1 you get a pack of 4, and it's just a really pretty green color, and I'm really feeling that for right now for the spring. Okay, and so the next thing I purchased were these retractable earphones, and it has a really cute little crystal decor. I don't know what you call that, right in the center, but it is retractable earphones, and I actually got 2. I picked this one up for my older daughter's Easter basket, and yes, I still get my 20-year-old an Easter basket of some sort. And this one was mine. She loves black. I love pink. So I got this one for me. And this is really cool. This is really good for $1. Now, the only thing I would like to mention about it is when you pull it, if you only pull one side, it starts to kind of get stuck right there. So if you notice, see how it kind of gets all raveled up right there? So the key is you have to pull them both at the same time, and then it kind of locks in place there. So when you pull them at the same time, it locks in place, and then when you're ready to let them go, you pull it again and it just ravels back up. So I thought this was a really good deal for $1. You can't go wrong with this. And then I picked up just a 2-pack of some white taper candles. And then I also picked up these little words. They're called sight words, and this one is for preschool, and it has a list of the different words here that are included in this pack. And then I also picked up one for kindergarten, and here are the words as well. And if you guys don't know, I do have a 4-year-old, and so we have been practicing our sight words now that she knows all her letters and sounds for the most part. So I thought that these were a really good deal, and hopefully these will help her out. And the last place I went shopping was the Family Dollar by my house. I love Family Dollar. I feel like a lot of their stuff, certain stuff, I feel like is good quality for the price. And this was, I believe it was $6. And so yeah, $6. And this is just a really cute, pretty box, and it's got these fake artificial leaves inside of it, and it just says home. But if you look really close, it's not, it's like the letters are like a brushed white, but then you've got like this, I don't know, sandy off-white color on the actual box itself. And I just think it looks really pretty because it looks like it's brushed on. It's not perfect, and I love that about it. Okay, and the next thing I got was this really cute, adorable bunny. This was $4, and this is not just an average bunny. This actually is a really cute little, it has a little baby bunny included as well. It's kind of like a puzzle piece here. So that is so cute. So it's just a really pretty blush pink color of the little bunny, and it just, I don't know, I love this, that it goes together, and I don't know why, but when I saw this, I had to pick it up for $4. I thought that was a really good deal. And then the last thing I got is kind of random. This actually is a solar jeweled bulb with click, and it's $2, and it has a clip that you can, I think it's advertised to stick above like your barbecue. It's a solar light. So as you can see, when the solar panel is covered, the light comes on. We barbecue, but I have no intentions of putting this outside. I actually wanted to put this in my daughter's bedroom and kind of act as a night light. So I don't know, I thought that might look really pretty, because if you notice, it's like, I don't know, like a diamond almost. Like it's got all these little designs in it that I feel like when the light comes on, it's going to be really pretty in the dark, almost like a disco ball. So I thought that was really cute. Alright, so that is it for my haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Let me know if you like these types of videos, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye!